and new family to be friends that's gonna turn into family eventually. Welcome back to my channel. Today, so I don't go to salons to get my nails done. I pretty much do it myself. So today I'm just gonna show you guys like how I do my nails. I will do a product review of the nail polish, this gel nail soak off that I'm gonna use. I am going to do a review on the polish itself, the company, and I also do a review on the UV light nail lamp that I got. I'll do a review on that as well. So I'm gonna do two colors today. We'll see. I like to do two colors, at least like all of my nails one color, and then maybe like my ring finger I normally paint a different color. So we'll see. I think my main color is going to be, this is U-Cheer Soak Off UV LED Nail Gel. So this is what I have, and it's like a coral color. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's the number 62. They like to have numbers. I'll just, like, you'll see it. I'll make sure I put it in the in the video so you can see it. And then I'm also doing U-Cheer as well, another soak off UV gel. And this one is like a teal color, I guess, like the little window. And then this is one that's number 73. So I'll make sure I do that. So you have to, I prep my nails. I am not, I'm gonna let y'all know, I am not a professional. I don't have a license. So this is what I do for me. And I'm just showing y'all what I do as far as like the maintenance of my nails. Like, I like for my nails, my natural nails, to be low. They don't have, it's like a, I guess like an oval shape. That's just like naturally how they curve. So I try to keep it filed down, clipped down, that type of stuff. I'm like a DIYer. Like, I love to do, if I could do it on my own, I'd rather do it on my own and spend money to have somebody else do it. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm looking for my base coat. While I'm trying to talk to y'all, I'm trying to find the base coat as well. Okay, here we go. Right, so then this is the U-Cheer base coat. So then this is what we're going to start with. And then I have a different Beetles top coat, top gel coat. And then I have my UV light here, which you'll see. I have a nail file. This is a 180 grit nail file. And you just want to file off the shine off your nails. And then I have just some acetone that I can like take and just wipe off my nail with cotton ball afterward to make sure I get like everything off, the fouled nail, whatever off. And then we will get into the video. So you already know, if you want to see how to do this tutorial, well, not a tutorial, just, I guess you can call it tutorial, whatever. Then keep watching. Oh, and if you like my braids, I did my own braids last week. Ooh, this is the first time, like, I've done my girls' braids, but this is the first time I actually did braids on my own head. It took me, I started last Thursday afternoon, like 4 or 5 o'clock I started. And I stopped around 11 o'clock that night, and then started again Friday morning, like early Friday morning, like 5:30 in the morning. And then I had to start and stop because I had to take a child to the bus stop, come back home. Then I started again. Then I had to stop because I had to take children later on that morning to school. So then I had to stop, and then I came back home, and then I finished, and I had to stop to, you know, eat. I had to stop to cook dinner, that type of stuff. So anyways, this is a long intro, so let me go ahead and like cut it out. But if you like my braids, thank you very much. I did this myself, honey. Like I said, I am not trying to pay nobody. They ain't perfect. Some are bigger than the others, which is not what I intended, but it is what it is. And it's gonna keep me from having to mess with my own hair for a little minute. So it's today makes a week that I've had them in. Well, today, tomorrow, yesterday, whatever, because today is Friday. So about a week I've had them in, and yeah. So we'll see how long I keep them in before I decide to take them out, and I don't know what I'll do after that. Anywho, stick around. We're getting ready to get into the video for the nails. All right, I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so anywho, all I'm doing is just filing down. I probably should put something underneath me, like a towel underneath. I might have to pause and go get one of those. I'm out the closet. But that's it. I'm just like filing the nail. Just a little, not going crazy with it. Just enough to where it takes the shine off, guys. That's it. Can you see? You see? Again, like I said, I'm not a professional. So this is what I do to cut money, and I still want to, like, you know, keep myself up. Self-care, and this always like makes you feel good. Like getting your nails done. And I even feel more accomplished like when I have compliments and people like, oh my god, I like your nails, and I'm thinking like, oh thank you, and like, where do you get them done? Girl, De La Tiffany, that house of Tiffany, that's where I get them done at. You mind my own business. And yeah, this stuff costs money, yeah, okay, because like I get the UV gel, like they're small little bottles, but it's just me and my girls, so it's not like I don't need a huge bottle because I'm not servicing a lot of people. I'm just doing this for myself and like for my girls, so we keep our, you know, nails up. So I don't feel the need to need a real big bottle for what. And like when I buy them, I buy it in like a little set. So you have like several of them that come in a set, and so by them coming in like the sets, then it's like you're not really gonna use, and you don't use that much gel polish anyway. Like you really don't need a whole lot to cover your nails, so like a little bit go a long way. So it's like you have that stuff for a while, and you just like pick different colors. Okay, so guys, I did the first hand. So I'm going to pause, and I'll do my other. I got the other hand done, so both hands are done now. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit of acetone and I'll put the Q-tip trim. And I might just need one. I don't have like a liquid type stuff for you to use like that on cloth or something. Just wipe it off. I don't, and just wait. It's gonna be like now that I have prepped my nails, so we have filed it down, filed all the shine off of the nail, and now and we cleaned it off, and so now we're going to do our base coat, which is the U-Cherry base coat. And again, like I said, this is my girl to get into my stuff. Don't need a lot of it.
ask how y'all doing, how y'all day going, what y'all got planned for the weekend. I absolutely have nothing planned for the weekend. Well, me taking it back to my daughter, this next week is the last week of school. Tomorrow they're having a dance, so Saturday. They're having a dance at school. She's going. It's supposed to be like an 80s, 90s theme. They're not allowed to wear. I'm trying to get in this little corner here, guys. They're not allowed to wear jeans. So she did ask me to take her shopping. My mom's gonna take her shopping, so I'll pick her up tomorrow. So it's gonna be interesting as to what outfit they come back with for her. And then of course I have to do hair. So I'm trying to figure out like what type of hairstyle we're gonna do for her, because she had braids in her hair too, but she took it out. So my baby is going to ninth grade, y'all. I cannot believe I'm having ninth grade. Like, this is just crazy. So now that I got the base coat on all the nails, I'm going to my UV on 60 seconds. I probably could do 30. And I'm just going to cure the base coat on, and then we'll get started on our color. So anyways, while we're waiting, I have 20 seconds left. While we're waiting, so my daughter, she and my mom are going to go get her outfit for the dance for tomorrow, and I still have to talk to her to figure out like what she wants to do with her hair, because she hadn't said anything. She just took her braids out yesterday, so we'll see. Okay, so we are like majority of the nail is gonna be. So I'm just gonna open that up. I'm gonna have a little bit, and you don't need a whole lot, because like I said, a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna start in the middle, and I do like two coats normally cover my nail, so that's normally what I do. I'm trying to do this like long time, so I'm trying to sleep at the same time. I like to too, because I got the wood nails. Y'all don't. I do. You don't like me, not y'all. You know what I'm saying? So there's that. That's our first coat. So let's go ahead with the next. And I typically don't. That's not. I typically don't cure it until I'm done with like the whole set, the whole hand. Then I'll cure it. If you get any on you, you can always take that acetone and you can, you know, like take a brush and get out there. I'm trying to get as close to it as possible. Like the things around, like you really mind a lot. Because whatever the first coat won't pick up, it'll pick up like the second. I just have to, you know, and then a little bit there. Like I just use my nail and grab it, pull it, and then that's a little too much. Then we're doing our So I think that's it. And then I'm gonna paint my ring finger, this little teal color. I think it's the first time I actually using this color. And the coral color too, it's the first time. So I was looking at like what colors can I do? What colors can I do? Well, I might have had the coral color on my nail before, but I know the teal color is very much first. Anyways, I'm gonna ask you guys like what y'all got going on this weekend. I'll be looking at it. So that's what it looks like before we cure. Seconds. And we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Okay. That was our first coat. Now I'm gonna do the same things here. And I like the gel nail better, because I feel like once it's cured, it's done, and I don't have to worry about like touching stuff immediately after. They call this what, end capping, like putting it on the end of the nail to cap everything. Yeah, try. Just cover your nail. Okay? And that second coat like really bring that color out. And just grab it. Just and if you want to put like you know, say like rhinestones, like a lot of this stuff I order off Amazon. And just I have rhinestones, just not really rhinestones on today, but I do have like rhinestones that I put on there. I want to make it really fancy, but I just like to have my nails I like to have them done, just, you know, they're doing. It just make you feel good. And in fact, I'm not spending money, like, initially you spend the money initially, like, when you're buying the product and stuff. But after that, like, it's free. It pays for itself, and now of, like, few uses, like, because how much would it cost if you went to an actual nail salon and had your nails done? And half the time, like, I don't have to wait on it. Then I get, you know, somebody free to do my nails, like, they're done. I don't have to leave my house. I can sit and watch TV if I want to and do my nails. All that good stuff. All pros, same. All the pros to have my nails done. I'm not professional, so of course I make mistakes when it comes to it sometimes, but I'm smart. And that is our second coat. So I'm going to cure the second coat and put our top coat on. 20 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. The last thing we need to do is seal it with our top coat, which is by Beetles, which is, I like this. I'm going to do a review on these companies. So this is gonna seal everything together in. And same thing with that, like you don't want to go overboard because a little bit goes a long way. Like there's a lot on here still, and I want it. I'm sorry. No, what is that? Look at me like that. And we want to cap the end of this as well. middle, pull down, and then work our way up to our cuticle area. And then at the end, and the same thing here. And this nail. And that's it. A little bit goes a long way. Like all that, and I'm able to actually do all nails, even as on my nails. And this is the pinky, the last one's the baby. And I think I should have enough to raise this off the top coat. Alright guys, I'm going to do this for 60 seconds. So, 60 seconds, thank you. And then we'll move on to the other hand, and I'll show you how to do it. Just like that. Simple, it doesn't take long, like I said, that snail and have an awful terrible snail. And it lasts me about, I feel like we can have it 2 weeks. And then you just change the colors, like I would have done when I was young. I used to go get my nails done, put it on my nails, and have a lot of starting nails, so I feel like my nails be done. And then I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna have to stand go and have to sit in there and wait and all that stuff. Just like on this 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And guys, this is it. This is the finished product, or the finished look of the first hand. So what it's looking like, and you can touch it. It is done. Like, they're dry, all of them. Which is sweet, so I can use this hand and do whatever. All right, so I'm gonna do the other hand and then I'll come back. All right guys, I'm back and we are done with both nails. They came out pretty, or both hands came out pretty okay to me. They're not professionally done, but I like the way they look. And you let me know guys if you like that. Alright guys, so that is it for this little video tutorial, whatever, I don't know, with my nails. So, but this is how they came out, which I like them. And I guess I'll do like a 1 week, 2 week follow-up so you guys can see what they're looking like. So next Friday, I'll do a video just kind of showing you guys what they look like versus how they look right now, which is cute. And if you want to, like I have like little rhinestones, you can always add rhinestones, but I don't have time for that because I gotta take my kids to a dentist appointment like in the next few minutes, so I gotta be leaving the house soon, but it's just up the road. So anyways, thank you guys for watching my video. If you enjoyed my video, please, if you are not, subscribe to my channel, comment, like the video. If you want to see me do a color combination, let me know down in the comments so then I can see if I have it or get it, and then we can do another video with like different colors or whatever. I hope y'all have a fantabulous day today and a wonderful weekend, and yeah, do something good for yourself, like something that's going to help you feel better about yourself if you aren't doing those things, because we as women tend to neglect ourselves, especially when we have a family we have to take care of. So this little few minutes I can do this for myself. Anyways, until next time, I will